heck yeah, this is a conversation that I've been anticipating for a long time. I can say it's probably the most unique recording location the guests have been in any podcast that I've ever been a part of.
Yeah, I think when we were kind of brainstorming, what would be interesting for maintenance listeners and what type of, environments they would want to hear about, that was one that came to mind was, there's been a couple air shows over the summer that have highlighted this specific team, and I was pretty stoked to hear that you guys got it to happen and brought it to fruition.
Yeah, I mean, if you're talking air show operations, you can never really prepare for all eventualities, because we all know, Faith, you'll know this, whatever you have with you is exactly the thing that won't break, and whatever you don't have is going to break. And the tools that you don't have are the ones you're going to need. So, it's just that age-old game. We're a pretty close team. Everyone, of course, wants everything to fly the next day.
So I think, of course, people have to have like a basic interest in the aviation topic, so they can power through all the hurdles that are on the way to make an aviation career. Out of the niche that aviation is, it's a niche in the niche again. So people, if they have like an interest in doing some complex and very responsible work, I think it's good to show them what's possible. And of course, what attracts people to hire with us or to apply with us, the wide range of different rotorcraft that they can work on. Of course, it comes with nothing comes without a cost. So of course, this is an investment. But as long as you can keep it attractive for the people, I think at least in our company, they stay.
It's a cool mix for us young guys, because the mass of different aircrafts in our fleet. So we have around about 40 aircraft. It starts from the 1940s until to the 2026 from our construction years. So it's always something different. One day you are working on a 1940s warbird, and a week later you work on a Cessna Citation or a helicopter. And it's completely different. You have turbines, you have piston engines, big radial engines. So it's a really cool mix for young guys to learn the basics of aviation.
I selfishly have to ask, as a mechanic, Werner, I can see behind you there's a Red Bull cooler. Do you guys have an endless supply of Red Bull?
Yes, we do. So here it is. Just treated myself.
Sold. Done. Cut the camera.
To shift it, but I can do it now a little bit. So there is a cooler at the shop.
And there's one hidden behind our ground power unit over there as well.
Yep, you got to put that in the job description.